Now we are going to the next topic, which is increasing the soil fertility. How microorganisms are helpful in increasing the soil fertility and increasing the output of agriculture. Atmosphere has 78% of nitrogen. Atmospheric nitrogen cannot be taken directly by plants and animals. Like we breathe oxygen and plants take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere directly, nitrogen cannot be taken by plants or animals. However, some bacteria are able to fix nitrogen from the atmosphere to enrich soil with nitrogen and increase its fertility. So there are some bacteria which can fix the nitrogen from the atmosphere. They can fix the nitrogen, they can uh, gather the nitrogen from the atmosphere and increase the fertility of the soil, enrich the soil with nitrogen and increase its fertility. These microbes are commonly called biological nitrogen fixers. Biological nitrogen fixers. Cleaning the environment. How bacteria and my other microorganisms help in cleaning the environment. You often see large amount of dead organic matter in form of decaying plants and sometimes dead animals on the ground. You find that they disappear after some time. This is because microorganism decompose the dead organic waste of plants and animals and converting them into simple substances. These substances are again used by plants and animals. Thus, microorganisms can be used to degrade the harmful and smelly substance and thereby clean up the environment. What happens is, if there is a dead and decaying matter of plant, suppose plant has died and it is fallen on the ground. Now what happens is microbes will attack it and all microbes will convert it into simple forms, like it will convert into carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, all the elements, and all these will be mixed in the soil. So all these can be used by other living plants and animals.